this. It's the return, the long-awaited return of Virgil.
Thank you.
We are here to go fishing today. Port of the Isles. I believe this is what, the 20th of August?
Yeah.
2024. On the boat we have a nurse to take care of Virgil if there's a need arises. That is none other than Candie. And of course, Virgil. I'm your host, I'm Big Al, or Al, or Hey You, or whatever. Theme of the boat, plane on our way out from the port. Dodging some clouds here and there. We got some rain possibly. It'll go away by the end of this afternoon. Going shark fishing. We're going to do a little fish fishing. But you know the story. We go out, we have a good time. You get to watch all the fruits of our labor. Stay tuned, we'll have videos for you. That's what, your third cast? Second cast. His first fish. And it's a sail cat.
Yes, it is. Little kitty.
I hope that is not what's going to happen for the rest of the day. Hi, a lot of times people want to know what kind of poles do we use here on the Angler. Well, my go-to pole when we're doing our trout is this one. It's the Ugly Stick Carbon with a Spin Fisher 2500. We run 10-pound test line with 15 or 20-pound test leader. You're doing a uni-to-uni knot. The braid will actually cut the mono leader with the knot. That way we don't lose main line. We use only the leader. Also, we use mono instead of the everybody wants to use fluorocarbon. If you look at our water here, it's really stained. Fluorocarbon's not going to get you anything here. You want the elasticity of the mono with the way they hit. Also, there goes Virgil. He's got another one.
As soon as they hit the water.
So what we're doing is you want that mono here. You don't need the fluoro. You're just wasting your time. We're not in that clean of water. So that you might want to know. We also run ugly sticks on our shark poles, and we have custom shark poles. So ugly stick's kind of a big pole for us. Yeah, you bass guys sit there and go, oh, you got to have a better rod. Guess what? These things hold up. They work very well. They're all the saltwater series except for our carbons. So just so you know, don't count down ugly stick. They are a workhorse for us. Pin fisher, we love pins on everything. Talk to you later. Bye.
Right when it hit the water.
Typically that's not the catfish that does it, but he hasn't come up at all. Uh-oh. Foul hooked. Catfish. You gutted him.
Right now.
Right in the belly.
You don't let it get in the coral. You got it in the coral. Got it in the coral. Nice bend on the pole. Candie's hooked up. We better get the motor up.
I think I need my drag tightened.
Here you go.
Oh my goodness. I don't think this is a grouper.
Oh yeah. He's not running very far. He's just trying to get down.
He's shaking his head.
He's grumpy. Pull up, recover. Pull slow. Reel down before you start reeling before you go down.
Okay. With my neck fan and all.
That's a personal air conditioner.
Yeah. Oh.
Don't let him in the coral. He's down in the coral.
Oh, he's running.
That's a nurse shark.
I don't know, it ain't run that far yet, has it?
Yeah, it's moved. It's probably moved about 15, 20 yards.
Well, come on, let me get this one over here.
Oh, doubles. Tighten the drag.
I got mine coming now, Al.
All right,
Ellie ain't breathing hard yet.
here. Keep it out of the joint.
Yeah, this is a shark.
Yep, tighten down the drag a little bit.
Me?
No, Virgil. Nice pole bend.
Oh, God, yeah. There you go. Get on some of that.
I was double duty on.
He's gone.
He's gone. Okay, we're back to this truck you're trying to pull up. Leader. Little, oh man, 3.5 foot
3.5.
nerve shark.
You didn't catch a whole one?
Caught a half of one. Half of a nurse shark.
Come on, mama.
That's what you wanted.
Yep, that's what we wanted.
All right, I'll cut him off.
Okay.
Virgil's trying to decide if he wants to let the fish eat it or not.
No?
I don't know, man. I think we should take a commercial break.
I think Virgil needs to check his bait.
Hooked on coral. It's got a loop. We'll come back to the action. Sometimes when you catch a fish, those nasty catfish, and you want to de-hook them, you need the proper de-hooker. Well, I'm Al, one of them guys that fish all the time. And I brought this de-hooker you need to buy. Yep, Alco Industries, man. Alco Industries, a division of Angry Angler Fishing, will tell you this is the thing to do. Hook it and let it go. Remember, Alco Industries, a division of Big Al Industries. Oh, nope, Angry Angler, I'm so sorry. Yeah, but he didn't put his pole condom on. Pole condom, there you go, safety first. You need to be fishing safely. Woohoo, don't let him in the coral.
Oh, hell no.
Yeah. This is what it looks like when Virgil's actually trying to fish. Another catfish, I bet.
Yeah, I'm hoping it is. Because if it is, we take it home to Garvey.
Nope, he got himself that little dinky baby shark, even smaller.
Oh, that one's even little.
And it swallowed the damn hook.
No, it's right there in the corner of the mouth. Man, I think that's the smallest one I've seen out here. It's so pretty and cute.
Yeah, that's what it is, it's cute.
We're going to go after him. Virgil relaxing with a bottle of water as he's trying to fight a bull shark.
Gotta do what you gotta do, Al. I was thirsty. Come here, you big boy.
And we are going to close in on them. Little intercept course.
Is he running at you?
No. It's fine.
He's assumed the pole position.
Exactly. I know where it's at, yeah.
Ooh, a little tug.
You're good.
So what could it be? Is it a bluegill, a bass? Crappie. It's a crappie.
They pronounce that crappie.
Oh, crappie. It's a crappie.
That's only if you're from New Jersey.
He's working his way around the back of the boat.
I got leader back.
Yep, we're on the nylon. Let me, ooh, he's coming around. He's right underneath the boat. Okay, we're gonna flip him out from underneath the boat here.
There's my bait.
Ah,
Yep, little bull shark. 5 footer.
no, Virgil.
You got it?
You got it?
Come here, I got it. I ain't give up yet. I'm old, but I ain't dead.
Well, I don't want you to be dead, but I don't want you to be in the water either with losing my pole. Yeah, I mean, it's not about you, it's all about my pole.
I understand that.
He got pissed when he saw it.
You saw the boat.
Is he gonna get mad again?
Yeah.
There you go. There you go.
Nice bull. That was my knuckles.
He's not happy.
I ain't told him what not happy is yet. Well, maybe I have.
I think you're starting to sweat there a little bit, Virgil. Hey, you're going the wrong way.
That's all right. He'll be back. He ain't done yet.
How you like the pole?
I like that a lot.
You get to feel almost everything. He's back out there about 50 more feet. You can do it. You lock down drag, or you want to leave it a little bit loose just in case he decides to go. Like that. All that you caught, he just took back. Fish with attitude right there. Look at that. Caught right in the corner of the mouth like it's supposed to be done. Can you hold him there for a moment? We'll cut him loose.
Yeah, I got you.
All right. Virgil, fish.
What's up, big boy?
Oh,
How you doing? You ain't done yet, are you?
okay. Virgil, he did it. It's all condomed up, waiting to go. There he is.
You ain't done
Alrighty. Bait still there though?
Feels like it.
All right, Al.
Reel down.
Hmm?
Reel down. Reel down. Keep reeling down. Put your pole down. Put your pole down.
Down?
Yeah. Reel. Cup the. You got it? Cup the holder and pull straight up.
Yeah, I might need to get it.
All right.
Turn it loose.
No, he didn't. He's still on.
Nope, he's gone.
Okay.
He ran off a whole bunch of line and let it go.
He was going fast. Well,
Let go.
I don't know. Need to get him to take that shark pole. Waiting on Virgil to be ready. Reel. Nope.
Ain't there?
I don't think he's there. Is he there?
I don't think so.
No.
I don't think so.
Well, till I know for sure we see bait on top or
I'm pretty sure it let go.
this is
Yeah, bait on top.
bait on top. So he let go.
Yeah. See it?
Darn. Bait on top. All right.
Yeah, I got
Next.
a fish.
She's got a fish. Hold things there. Hang on, let me come over here and do an interview at the time.
Okay.
So, you have a fish?
Yes, I have a fish.
What kind of fish is it?
Well, we won't know till we get it to the boat. Look at that.
Big.
Yeah, it's bent.
Huh?
I think the pole's broken. It's bent. It's supposed to be straight.
Oh,
Is that your personal, your professional opinion that it's bent?
yes.
Okay. What do you want me to do about it?
Damn shark.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, it's cutting the bottom of the boat. You gotta get it up here. Manhandle it. Pretend you can.
Oh my God.
Manhandle it. Come on, you got it. You got it. Look at her go. You can do it. What technique? So, for all your YouTube fans,
Son of a biscuit eater.
all your YouTube fans, you have any words for them?
Nope. Fish with Big Al. You won't regret it.
Did the other pole just ran?
Which one?
This one just ran a little bit. I don't know if it's caught.
That ain't far enough back to be caught. That one ain't far enough back to be caught with that one.
Oh my goodness.
It's running under the boat.
I can't stop it.
Tighten up the drag.
Come on, you big mama drama.
You going out?
I just gotta get, it's grinding on the bottom of the boat. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
You got it? I'm gonna spin us around. Is that okay?
You do what you gotta do. I got the rest of this handle back here. I just didn't want to take this rod out if I didn't have to.
Okay.
Son of a bitch. I get it and then it goes.
Well, you take 3 and he takes 5.
Yeah.
Caught on the trolling motor there, boss.
Where?
Up front with your line.
I can't see it anymore.
It's underneath the top of the trolling motor. And I'm gonna still stuck.
Oh shit, it went around the trolling motor.
Holy fuck.
This thing is running now.
It's stuck in the trolling motor. Caught in the trolling motor, the line is.
Well, let me get back up to where I was.
Because I got it stopped. Here. We got 2 on.
Yes, sir.
We got 2 sharks on simultaneously.
Yeah, and I got one. No, he just turned it loose.
Okay, he turned it loose. Good.
Oh, come on.
Hey,
I see
there's the leader.
Come on, big Jack.
Oh, giant
God.
grouper.
Holy shit. Don't go back down there.
Let me get this one pulled up.
Giant grouper. You see the tail on that bad boy? Here he comes again.
Holy shit.
Right there.
Holy shit. Holy shit.
Monster fucking grouper.
Holy crap.
You might want, you got that tight on your wrist?
Ah.
I
Yes.
pulled my shoulder out of socket. It's your problem. You will fix me. Come here, big boy. Come on, before a fucking shark comes up here and fucks you up. God damn!
Jesus.
There's another hook set in it.
Woo. Holy shit. Wow.
Now,
It's time to go to extreme close up. You were caught on the bottom too.
yeah, not anymore.
And now you lost your bait. Sure enough, empty hook. Well, the discussion on the boat is weather.
Whether or not we're gonna get wet.
Yep, whether or not we're going to get wet, whether or not we should leave now, or whether or not it's just going to rain. Either way we go, it's going to get wet, because back there is where we got to go. Stay tuned to wear rain gear or not. That isn't even a question. Got a catfish. Display it really proudly there. There you go. Hello. Well, the day's done. We beat the rain. It's 2:30, and let's do a wrap up. So I got Candie, Virgil, you know who, and we had a pretty decent day.
Yeah.
As you saw in the video, we caught some fish.
Caught baby sharks.
Baby sharks. Got the hold of baby shark. Yum. And then we also did a little Goliath grouper fishing. And we saw extra hooks in its mouth, so we pulled it and took all the hooks out of its mouth. That way it has a better way of life until we catch it again.
You will.
So how'd you do? What was the tally? How many sharks today? I know one. Three? Two
nurse sharks and a bull.
Okay, there you go. And then we caught some grouper, various sizes from what, 8 inches to 3.5 feet.
Yeah.
So
about 70 pounds worth.
yeah.
Grandpa grouper.
Yep. We catch anything else?
Barracuda.
Oh, barracuda. Yeah, I caught a barracuda, and there's
Trout?
also trout. We got a trout in the box. So.
And a lot of mangrove snapper.
Oh yeah. Matter of fact, we ran out of bait.
Yep.
So all the shrimp that we brought is gone, and some of the cut bait we still have. So I can come back out after we drop these folks off and go fishing again. But not today because it's going to rain. So I will, until next time, I'm Al.
I'm Candie.
I'm Virgil.
See you later, and hope you enjoyed the video. Bye.